Hi friends, welcome back to the Carnival of the Animals. We're going to see what animals are in the music next. I know what's next. It's a big gray animal with floppy ears and a long trunk. An elephant, that's right. I have an elephant right here. And I have these elephants. Remember, if you don't have elephants at your house, use what you have or pretend to be an elephant. Can you make a long trunk with your arm? Yeah, you can. You can also use your ribbons that you used yesterday as your trunk and go up and down with your trunk as the elephants are dancing. You're going to hear an instrument called a double bass. It's going to play the big steps of the elephant. Picture an elephant dancing. Do you think elephants have an easy time dancing? Or would it be kind of hard with those great big legs and feet? Kind of hard. If you want to try to see what it's like to dance with elephant feet, you could put on a pair of your big boots, or if mom and dad let you, put on a pair of their shoes and see what it's like to dance. Just be careful. Okay, here we go. We're going to dance with the elephants. We were just listening to the tortoises moving very slowly. Do you think the elephants will move fast or slow? Slow. Oh, do you hear those big sounds? Do those sound like elephant feet? Oh, they are dancing a waltz. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job counting. Good dancing, elephants. Big steps. Big steps. Boom. Boom. Great job. What animal is going to hop into the music next? Let's find out. I have animals that like to hop. They have pouches by their tummy. Great big back feet and a long tail. Kangaroo. I have kangaroos right here. Hi, kangaroo. And I have this one too. It even has a joey. Its baby in its pouch. If you don't have kangaroos at home, you can be the kangaroo. I bet you like to hop as much as I do. Okay, it's going to be really bouncy music for those kangaroos hopping. So when you're listening to the music, picture kangaroos hopping to the bouncy music of the piano. Are you hopping? Nice job, hopping like a kangaroo. The next piece of music is called the aquarium. Have you ever been to an aquarium? What did you see there? You did? That's great. I have some fish shapes. Fish are in the aquarium. How many fish do you see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 fish. Okay, I'm gonna put on the music. You pretend to be a fish. You're gonna hear a flute. A flute is an instrument that's played to the side like this, and you blow across a hole to make the sound. And it's kind of like a whistly sound. It's very pretty. And the strings will make it sound like it's under the sea. And you might even hear the sound of an instrument called the glockenspiel. That's a fun word to say. Let's say that together. Glockenspiel. Great job. Okay, listen for those sounds, friends. And now you can be a fish. Swim around under the sea. Pretend that you're under the water. Doesn't that sound like it's under the water? Keep swimming. Great job being the animals. Come back tomorrow to see what's next.